Hello friends, good evening, very good evening. So back to Salesforce and I am gonna show you a magic today. Yes, it's really magic because let me share my screen quickly what I have implemented today. I will show you. So as you can see on my screen, I have developed a web component, Lightning web component. And what I'm doing is if I place the component on any subject record page, okay, without having any prior information, means everything is happening dynamically that I can display the records of the object of any as object and without calling Apex. Okay, so let me explain you what I have done is suppose this is my component, this is my web component LWC, and I have placed this on the account record page. Okay, on the detail page of the account record, then I can I can fetch all the related lists, means the list of all the child objects dynamically without calling Apex. And I can show you those records in the Lightning data table without calling Apex. And also I can edit those records and save those records without calling Apex. Everything is happening without calling Apex and runtime and means dynamically. So you can see that account is the parent object. I have placed this Lightning web component on account record page, and it is asking me, let me refresh you. Let me refresh for you. Let me show you from the beginning what I have done. Okay. So means if you place this LWC Lightning web component on any S object record page, it will it will fetch you the list of all child objects. And you can select any of the child object to see, to fetch the records of that object. And plus you can do the DML operation without calling Apex. Everything is happening without calling Apex. Means it's basically a generic LWC, generic Lightning Web component, which can display the related list of any else object without calling Apex. So you can see I have placed this on standard object also, that is account, and then I will show you that I have also embedded this Lightning Web component on a custom object. Okay, the custom object is my flight. Okay, so let me show you for the for the standard object, that is account. My account is, let me say the name is Salesforce. Okay, and you can see that as soon as I loaded this page, then what happens is it will ask you the related child objects. So see, now account as having so many child objects. You know, opportunity most commonly used that are contact, opportunity, and these are some custom objects also, right? So whatever object I select from the pick list, right, it will show me the fields also dynamically, that which fields I want to select. So for example, suppose I want to select multi-pick list. So dynamically it's showing the list of the contact object. Okay. So now suppose I select the first name and last name, and also suppose I select the business phone. Okay. As soon as I select, you can see the Lightning data table automatically is generated, and with only those fields which I selected. So I selected first name, last name, and business phone, and it is showing me the records first name, last name, business phone. Right now I am having 4 records, which you can see first name, last name. 4 records I have, and it is showing those 4 records without calling Apex, and that too I can do any, I can edit those records also, and it will save without calling Apex. So see, let me show you again. So I have selected contact object, and of the contact object, it is showing me the fields of the contact object. I have selected 3 fields, and it is dynamically showing me the records which are available, and the columns, related fields. Okay. So now suppose I select opportunity. Okay. Now it will show me dynamically the the fields of the opportunity object. Okay. You can see. So this is the standard built-in. Just to show you, I am displaying the related list, the standard related list that is available in Salesforce. So you can see this again. I am having 4 records as of now, and I want to uh, show you the field for the opportunity. So what I will do is I will select the field. Suppose I select the fields as say, let me say amount and close date. Okay, and maybe say name. Okay, so if I select the field, you can see amount, close date, name. Okay, so see, it will dynamically show you those fields of the opportunity object and the records also. So amount is 1,000 for the amount, close date, and name. So you can see I have 4 opportunities available: opportunity 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it is showing me the details of all these 4 opportunities. Yes, you can see. Now suppose I want to edit some opportunity. Okay. So suppose I want to edit the amount of this opportunity. Say this is 4,000. I want to make it as 5,000. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on here and I will do 5,000. Then I will click anywhere outside. So it's basically doing inline editing. You can see when I click it on save, it's record saved successfully and it's automatically updated the records. You can also go to the view the record. The row level actions I have also added. So you can view the record. So once I click this record, it will navigate to the record detail page and it will show me the updated value. Yes, so you can see earlier it was 4,000, now it has been updated to 5,000. Yes. So again, let me show you for custom object also. So suppose this is my custom object, say flight. Okay. Now what I am doing is I have let me show you from the beginning. So suppose this is my flights. Okay, I have 2 records available. Let me show you. Let me navigate to Emirates records. Okay. So now what will happen? So see, as soon as I click this combo box, it will show me the child objects, all the child objects which are available. So suppose now this is custom, and again this is the suppose I want to see the records for the book flight object, which is the child object of the flight, and again that is custom only. So it will show me the following fields which are available, right? So suppose I want to see the name of the passenger, seats required. Okay. So and I select. So you can see passenger name is Rahul, seats required 50. There is right now there is 1 record, but if there are multiple records, it will show me those multiple records as well. Okay, currency is USD, US dollars. So you can see that if I click on related tab, it will show me the related records of the. So right now there is 1 record which is Rahul, seats required 50. Okay, same record it is showing here also. So friends, this is a very important use case, and the main thing is that everything is happening dynamically at runtime. I have no prior information of anything. Only thing I have is I have the URL of the record at the top and the S object name which I am fetching that too I am fetching dynamically only. Okay. So just try it from your end, and if you have any doubts, please um, come back to me. I will be sharing the code on the comment section in my YouTube channel very soon. Yes. So this seems to be an easy component, but there are a lot of things happening behind the scenes, and you can see that everything is I am able to do, and without calling Apex, no Apex at all. 0 of X. I am able to display as many records I have available in the child object. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a good day.